Hey y'all, welcome back. So, one of the options to pack a little lighter, take a little less stuff, is to do some laundry while you're on the ship. So, the most vacation style one is putting your laundry in a bag, filling out the little paper, paying the fee, however much it is, and then sending it off and letting the ship's laundry people do your laundry. It'll come back in about about 24 to 36 hours is the most I've had it take on Carnival, but that is dependent on the cruise people and whatever. I've had it come back in less than 12 hours a couple of times, but all in all, I would say give it at least 24 hours before you need it back. Another option, some ships have a laundromat area where you go and pay very similar to at-home laundromat prices, and you do your laundry, wash, dry, whatever, and you get it back instantly. If your kids like soiled some stuff and they have stains, that might be a good option to go make sure the stain gets out right away. The third option, the one that I've done the most, would be washing stuff in the room, which I know seems very I don't want to do laundry, I'm on a cruise, but to me, I can keep up with it if I do a little bit every day, or I know what I need to have. Like, we packed light on pajamas, I need to hang this up. Okay, I can wash it real fast, throw it over the clothes drying thing. Sometimes, you can maybe hang it around your room, whatever you're comfortable with. And as long as you bring it out, it doesn't take that long to dry. But those are just some options. There's other options, I'm sure, but those are the ones that I do. If I do plan on doing laundry on the ship, especially in the laundromat area, I will make sure your ship has a laundromat area. And then I will bring like pods, because they are very concentrated and they don't take up much space, and you don't have to worry about paying an additional charge for any laundry stuff. It's very easy to bring, a little snack baggie with plenty of laundry detergent for the week. If I do wash it in the room, it depends. So if I have a bathtub, which I've only gotten on ocean view rooms that are like the family or the deluxe ocean views, those I will use a laundry detergent pod because it's enough water to dissolve it and mix up with the detergent. If I just have to do it in the sink, I will just use like body wash or some sort of soap, because the detergent is so concentrated and that gel pack doesn't dissolve right with not enough water. So those are just my recommendations on how different types of ways you can do laundry. There are some where you can pay per piece, and I don't think that's the best price to do that. And like, side note, if you use the paper bags, I will roll them up. So I will take, let me find an item. Here we go. What is this? These are pants. No, this is a shirt. So if I was putting this in the bag on the ship, I would fold it and then roll it. So this is how I would put it in the bag, because this to me takes up less room, and then you can still, it still flattens a little, so you can you can put a lot of stuff in the bag. My other thought with that is, if your clothes are damp, the bag will rip. Don't put anything damp in there, and if you absolutely have to, put it as like the last thing on the very top. But those are my tips for laundry on a ship, or laundry while traveling in general. Have a good day, y'all.